This heat lamp and radiometer test is designed to show the energy loss of your heating and cooling going out of your windows. I'll be showing the potential energy loss of different types of glass that are in windows. First, we have a piece of single pane glass. This is what you'll find in single pane wood or metal framed windows. As you can see, the heat goes right through the glass. This is a major strain on your AC unit trying to cool your home. Next, we have double pane clear glass. This glass can be equivalent to what you'll find in a cheaper low-end replacement window. Again, the heat goes right through the glass, causing your AC unit to work harder and your energy bills to soar. Next, we have a piece of insulated glass. The objective of the Pink Panther insulation between the glass is to show the difference it would make if your glass were like an insulated wall of your home. Notice the radiometer isn't spinning. This shows the heat isn't moving through the glass. This would be a great option if you could see through the glass, so let me show you another alternative. Next, we have double pane single strength glass with one low E coating and argon gas. Low E stands for low emissivity. If you take the back of a mirror, scratch it, the silver particles that come off is what you call silver oxide. They spatter coat the glass with this oxide, and now that reflects heat. The argon gas is the clear form of the Pink Panther insulation that we showed previously. This is the glass that most use, slowing the radiometer, saving you money. Lastly, we have our Mezzo Climatech 2 double pane, double strength glass with 2 panes of low E and argon gas. Our Climatech 2 glass allows your windows to act as an insulated wall all around your home. You can choose to replace your windows or pay for windows without having them in your home with the energy that's being currently lost. The choice is yours. For instant, no haggle pricing, visit us at kempwindows.com.